I'm here at the Glen Tavern Inn by myself in the main lobby. There's no one here, and it's neat to be the only one down here, especially in this ambiance, this beautiful fireplace. Check it out. Earlier, the restaurant was open, bar, had a cocktail, incredible food. I actually kind of find it peaceful down here. Follow me. Why don't we go upstairs? This way. Noisy, I know. Check out this hallway. It's really creepy. Yeah. All right, follow me to third floor. Here's some nightmare fuel. You're welcome. Yeah, you pick up on that vibe too. All right, let's go down. First floor. Follow me. So I'm gonna walk to the end of this hall, and there's a little area that I want to show you and see if you pick up on the vibe that I get when I walk down there. You'll know when I pan over to it. Come on. You feel it too? Yeah, I don't like that area. Let's go back. All right, hey, thanks for coming on this tour with me. It's a pretty cool place. Very, a lot of parallels to the Brackenford Manor. You know how much we love our Brackenford Manor. So, hey, we've got a night ahead of us, camera set up in the suite, and if any cool stories come about or we experience anything neat, you guys are gonna be the first to know. Ciao.